So I've only seen him after that. However, reading the reports and seeing the evidence in this case, I think there's a marked difference between him today and him during those cases. And I think a lot of that has to do with the fact that he's been taking his medication. I've encouraged him to keep taking his medication. That's why I think the mental health eval and presumably the Mick Myoff caseload after that is going to be, I think, crucial to his success.
Court is calling 2026 CR 001382, 2025 CR 015494-02, State versus Angelo Montgomery. Can I have parties announced?
State.
And Jonathan Alvarado for the defense.
And are you Mr. Montgomery?
Yes, Your Honor, I am.
All right, counsel, have you received all the discovery?
Yes, Your Honor.
In each cause number, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Montgomery, in each cause number, did you review the application for community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
In each cause number, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading?
We do, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictments as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Montgomery, in each cause number, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
And the cause number ending in 82, you're charged with assault on a security officer. The range of punishment for that is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. And the cause number ending in 02, you're charged with assault of a peace officer or judge. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering these pleas, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in each of the cause numbers?
Sure.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, Judge.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I believe he's currently competent, Judge. I just want to put for the record that he was previously found not to be incompetent, but was restored, and I do find him to be competent here today.
All right, and was sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Montgomery, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter these pleas?
Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering these pleas, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. In each cause number, did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, according to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 6 years in the prison. There's $1,000 fine. State recommends community supervision. The cause numbers will run concurrently, and it'll also run concurrently with 2023 CC 013452 and 2025 CC 013452. State will take in consideration 2026 CR 001384 and 2026 CR 005475. Outside the agreement, the state is recommending 5 years probation, 120 hours of community service restitution, no contact with the complainants, the APSE course, mental health evaluation, and 120 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
State defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
In each cause number, did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
By signing that you're waiving your right to appeal, the only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, any such motion?
There have not, Judge.
Then in each cause number, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Contest.
State any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State offers States Exhibit 1 and all attachments in both causes.
No objections.
All right, state, you may be excused. In each cause number, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, in each cause number, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will find you guilty in each cause number. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, I would just inform the court that I was appointed to Mr. Montgomery's cases after he was restored to competency. So I've only seen him after that. However, reading the reports and seeing the evidence in this case, I think there's a marked difference between him today and him during those cases. And I think a lot of that has to do with the fact that he's been taking his medication. I've encouraged him to keep taking his medication. That's why I think the mental health eval and presumably the Mick Myoff caseload after that is going to be, I think, crucial to his success.
All right, do you have any support system, mom, dad, anyone?
I have my dad.
All right. And if you were released, is that who you would be staying with?
Yes, I will.
All right, have you ever had a case manager?
I have, yes. Ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Abrams, do you recommend the Mick evaluation in custody or out of custody?
Judge, if we could do the first part in custody, that would be great.
All right. Court will sentence you to 6 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 2 years. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. There's $1,000 fine that will be probated. This will run concurrent with 2026 CR 001382 and 2025 CC 013452. Taking consideration 2026 CR 004575. So should I just put in custody for,
Make evaluation in custody, we'll get the preliminary results. I can let you know that.
all right, make evaluation in custody. And there's to be regular UAs. I'm not adding other conditions. Probation, I believe this is a mental health issue because I saw that when he was admitted to the hospital, it's due to schizophrenia.
Okay.
So is there anything else that's required? I mean, you want him to obtain a case manager or referral to Center for Healthcare Services?
But if that's the case, then I'm quite sure the bank is gonna take care of it.
All right, there's going to be a referral for Center for Healthcare Services. And then let's have a status on him. Can we do an update in 60 days? All right, I need a reset for 60 days for status.
It'll be August 17th.
Can we not do it that week? That's my brother's birthday.
August 10th.
All right, August 10th.
And Judge, please, the term,
for 2 years. Because I really think this is a mental health issue?
Thank you, Judge.
Sure. Let's see, 0. And then we're gonna move on to 2026 CR 001382. All right, guilty. Sentence him to 6 years, suspended and probated for 2 years. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular UAs, in custody. Mickey Val, referred to Center for Healthcare Services. Concurrent with 2025 CR 015494-02 and 2023 CC 013452. Taking consideration 2026 CR 001384. No contact. All right, these are people, I believe, at the Bear County Jail. I mean, how is he gonna have no contact with them if he's at the Bear County Jail?
You put them in the administrative jail.
Oh, we will? Oh, that's what they do?
Yeah,
So they'll know.
They're probably funded.
All right, so there's to be no contact with Anthony Castillo and Dante Johnson. And then we'll have the same update August 10th for a status update. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
No, Your Honor, just very thankful.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places, in each case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because it's a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because these are felony convictions, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, please stay on your medications, okay? If there's an issue with your medications, side effects, because I know there are a lot of side effects to different medications, just let somebody know. Don't go off your meds, because then you end up having criminal cases, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and we'll be back here. They're gonna give you a reset form. You have the reset form?
I will get a judge, yes.
They're gonna give you a reset form, because I'm gonna want to see you in 60 days, and it's just to get a status on how you're doing, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and your dad, he's gonna let you live with him?
I have to call him.
All right, if you don't have a place to stay when you get out, come back to court and let us know. We'll be here Monday through Friday, not on the weekends, so, all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.